Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make beautiful tiaras for girls using foam flowers. As you can see in the video, I have made these tiaras with a multicolor flowers using polans and all. So it's a very easy process and very less time taking procedure too. So before getting to the video, whoever watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Initially we will see the material part. We would require a flexible kind of a wire and a few satin ribbons. These ribbons just we will be attaching end to adjust the sizes, and foam flowers. Initially I am showing you with the white and red combination, like this kind of flowers. It is easily available in the market. Then polans I have collected golden color polans here. You will get the other colors also, like red, pink and all. And the basic materials we require, like glue gun with the glue sticks and scissor and the cutter. So initially this, if you see, these flowers will be like attached, like 12 flowers as a one bunch, they will be attached. So you have to cut it separately like this, and take care while cutting you will not cut the lace part. So like this you will cut initially, and this whatever copper wire, thin copper wire has given, that you have to bend to one side. So this will allow us to hold all the petals. If you don't do this, petals will one after another will come out actually. So you have to bend like this. Okay, so all the flowers we have to do like that initially. Even polans also, you can see it will be up 3 to 4 inch length. So we will be cutting it to the half inch length polans. Particularly for this design it is required, because we will be using polans for many things like this. So initially the base materials we will prepare, all we will cut and make it ready. So here you can see white color and red color flowers are ready, polans also ready. So at the beginning we have to do a small modification with this wire. What we have to do is we have to just turn it like round, and as I told you, this ribbon we will be attaching at the ends. This particular ribbon is used actually to adjust the sizes. All the head size of the kids will not be the same. So what we will do, we will give this kind of ribbon, so the look also will be good and it will help in adjusting the size of the head also, like this. It is just a simple knot at the end, and once it is done we will be making it little more round. So this, when you make like this will not hurt the kids when they are wearing it. It will not hurt them. That's why we will do this procedure. So like this. So the same way the second other part also we have to do. So like that, and gently give a round shape to the our flexible wire. So the string is ready. So now I will show you how to make the patterns. So directly if you start sticking it to the string, it will not hold so properly. So what we will do, whatever pattern we already designed, that pattern initially we will stick actually. See here you can see alternative color combinations I am sticking, like a square or diamond shape. So for that we will be using the hot glue. So one side we will attach with the hot glue. It hardly take few seconds. Just for that few seconds you have to firmly hold the flowers, so that the position will be exactly the same what you planned. So like this. So all the 4 to 5 corners you have to apply thoroughly the glue and attach the flower. See like this. So when you do this kind of shape, it is easy to attach these particular shaped flowers in a string. So that's why initially we have to make all these kind of designs. So one more time I am showing you. now here I made with the two colors, and you can plan for a single color also. So like this we will make required number of pieces in the same format. So here you can see about 8 to 9 formats I have made. Now we have to stick it. So you just plan like accordingly, you will stick like square wise or a diamond shape wise. So initially we have to leave 2 to 3 inches because it will go the back side of the head. So that part you can leave. At the back side you apply the hot glue, and then directly you stick on the wire like this. Just hold for a 2 to 3 seconds like this. So this process, if you do directly, it will not stick so strongly. That is the only reason initially itself we will stick the flowers. So like this. So in between these two patterns I am planning to keep the polans. That's why I left little place there, you can see. So in that place I am going to stick the polans. Each in between I am planning 2 polans so that it will highlight the golden color. So like this. So the same way you have to finish off all that, leaving the other side also some 2 to 3 inches. Our tiara is ready here. So that is very simple, very less material. Only thing you have to source the material correctly. Now whatever extras we left, this is a part of adjustable area for the kids based on the kids head size. So this is what a tiara making procedure. So hope you, this procedure will be helpful to you all. Here you can see I also made with other color combinations like pink and purple. So very easy process. Please don't forget to give a trial, and those who gave a trial, please don't forget to mention your comments in our comment section. If you have any doubts, please you can put it in our comment section. The same materials as well as the ready products also available in our store. If you want to reach out, I am also mentioning my mobile number here in the down. You can reach out me, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.